Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Singh, and today we are introducing a new playlist that is about one of the Microsoft official training, SC-5002. This is basically applied skill training that gives you the practical understanding of how Microsoft Defender for Cloud will protect your workloads. In this particular series, we are going to cover and examine Defender for Cloud regulatory compliance standard, how we can enable Microsoft Defender for Cloud on your Azure subscription, how we can filter the network traffic with the network security group using the Azure portal, how we can create log analytics workspace for Microsoft Defender for Cloud, how we are going to collect guest operating system monitoring data from Azure and hybrid virtual machine using Azure Monitor. We'll also explore just-in-time VM access, and we'll see how we can configure Azure Key Vault networking settings. And finally, we'll see how we can connect Azure SQL Server using an Azure Private Endpoint using the Azure portal. So this would be the agenda for this playlist, and we are going to explore in detail the theoretical discussion and practical implementation. Stay connected with us. Let's get started.